Hi, this is Geert Melis. Part of my ZBrush experience was being invited to the beta team and to get the chance to work closely with the ZBrush team on upcoming versions of ZBrush. When we were testing the IMM brushes, I made the zipper brushes, which are to this day included in the ZBrush startup menu. A few big parts of my ZBrush experience are professionally the chance to become a ZBrush certified instructor and now a Maxon authorized training partner, so I can introduce my students to digital 3D ideation and creation. To me, the ZBrush experience is a combination of a few things. ZBrush itself, being able to work with the most awesome ideation and creation software. The great ZBrush team, knowing that I can rely on and directly communicate with them. ZBrush Central and ZBrush live streams, so I can get my daily dose of inspiration and motivation from the awesome artists and artworks. Just so cool. Thanks so much, Team ZBrush and fellow artists.